Today we going to learn how to increase the website domain rating. Before starting, I would like to tell you the difference between domain rating and the domain authority. Domain rating is basically the website total backlinks that help to increase the DR of any website. It depends how the backlinks you create, whether you're creating backlinks on the high DR website or you creating backlinks on website those link to some specific sites. So it depends on the quality of the sites that help you to increase your DR. But there is also a way to increase your DR that I will show you later in this video. Domain authority. And let's come to domain authority. What is domain authority? Domain authority is basically a score that is calculated by the Moz tool. That is basically depend on several things like linking, relations, backlinks, and more. So let's come back to our topic: how to increase your website DOR in a quick way. Let's start. In this Excel sheet, I have listed several URLs. What you have to do is you have to replace this HTTPS your domain URL with your website URL and your keyword or website name. You can include any keyword or your website name, and this is the hyperlink that will be created. So the first step is to replace this HTTPS your domain URL.com with your website URL, and the second step is to replace your keyword or website name with your website name or any keyword you like. Let's suppose you have a technology site, so you have to put your technology related website domain here and the keyword here. Then what you have to do is I've just listed a sample URL here to show you how it works. What you have to do is you have created hyperlinks, you have to copy this. Now we have to index it. When these links get indexed, it will help to increase your DR. And believe me, it will really help you to get 50 plus PR in a quick way. So let's start. What you have to do is you have to just search any blog spot. So let's start skincare plus blog spot. If I have a skin related site or any product I was selling, blogspot.com. Okay. So here we have several blogspot blogs. What you have to do is just open the first one and check for comments. There are okay. There are some blogs that go for approval, and some will get the comments published quickly. So you have to see whether which blog is going for approval. So leave that blog. Okay. Now open this comment section. Till the meantime, you can open some more blogs. So you can do it quickly. Okay, that blog is open. We're having some NAT issues here. Okay, here is the comment section. You have to add comment. Okay, what you have to do is the links that you have copied, you have to paste it here. Okay, you don't have to copy all the URLs that it has some character limit, so it will not get approved or give you an error. Let's take 1010 URL and submit it to any blogspot blogs by submitting comments. Okay, so here I'm using name or URL name. It's like we can take SAP continue. Okay, preview. first preview. Okay, this is the hyperlinks that have been made. So what you have to do is you just have to publish this. Okay, you look here, your comment will be visible after approval. So we have to make sure that the website is approving the comments directly. The comments not going for approval, as there are few comments, so that's why they have some approval. To close this, let's move to another one. Okay, why we doing this? We doing to get it indexed quickly, so it will have to increase our website DR. Okay, let's come to it, and then there is a comments. Here you'll submit this, and I'm using name here, Sam, continue, and publish. That's a check. Okay, 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 and this one, verify. It's got publish here. Yep, here you can see that's published. Okay, so what this do is it's help to index it quickly and also help to increase our website tier. This is a URL list. You have to do it once by one, but you can take 20, 30 hyperlinks together. Okay, and let's start it quickly and increase your website tier. If you guys really like this video, so please like and don't miss to subscribe our channel. Okay, and press the bell icon button so you'll get updates regarding new SEO techniques to rank your website up.